Hey, good morning, everybody. We're here in Silver Spring Shores at a car show at the Moose.
Here is our first winner of $25. Look at your green ticket now. Winning number 606 and the last three 973. Right here. Hey, I count that, Paul. I count you lie. I got Paul's number already. First complainer, now I know you're lying. It's all good.
Somebody want to explain what we're exactly looking at here?
Huh?
You want to explain what we're looking at?
1951 Chevy Freeline.
Okay. All right. We're making a video for YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
So, all right. We got a long way to go, so we'll be back.
Alrighty.
Thank you. Of course, we know what this is. Everybody knows what a 57 Chevy looks like. Fuel injection.
All right, 973, the last three digits on the ticket. 973, the last three digits on the green ticket. Come on up, you're a winner. We got $25 for you for our first raffle giveaway. Once again, that's 973, the last three digits.
The 2015 Challenger. All right.
I like the shirt. That's a good one.
Yeah,
Because there's a lot of truth to that.
there is.
Yeah, I don't like leaving anything in the sun down here,
Okay. Once again, we're here at the Moose, Silver Spring Shores, on Americamp Road in Marion County, Florida. I want to get everybody in the video here. Lots of things going on out here at the Moose today. A lot of raffles, 50-50s, basket raffles. It's been going on for a while now, so come on out and this is entry 221. Once again, I'm here with Arlene. My name's Jerry. We're from the Fraternal Order Eagles, Area 4216 in the forest. Hopefully we'll get most of these cars come to our area and put on a show for us. That's what we're trying to do now. Show you an example of what we might be able to do.
I'm not sure on this, but he's got a green one that's, there's somebody else who's got one.
Go ahead and get one. Why don't you go ahead and get one? Why don't you go ahead and get some? Pontiac. And what are we looking at here? What are we looking at here? Who owns it? Is this yours?
Yes.
What are we looking at here?
2008 Shelby GT500.
Okay, you hear it straight from the horse's mouth. Entry 225. We're making a video for YouTube tonight.
Okay.
Who is you belong to you belong to an organization?
I belong to the Asphalt Misfits of North Central Florida.
Okay, would you be interested in coming to our Fraternal Order Eagles and doing the same thing you're doing here?
They probably would.
Okay. My partner right here with the red hat on, you give her the information. If you got a card, we'll call you.
I don't.
Okay, well, if you give her the information to call,
Sure.
Okay, she'll call and we'll try to make arrangements. We got a lot of property next to our area.
Okay.
It's out on 40 near 314A in the forest. And we're even try to arrange to have a breakfast for anybody that puts an entry, brings an entry. We'll have the cook you a breakfast like for $8.
Boy, you can't beat that.
Eggs, bacon, potatoes, $8, and coffee. All right. Nice meeting you. Good luck.
Well, good. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless. Hey, Arlene, get a number from him so we contact him. Of course, anybody that don't know, that's unfamiliar with the Fraternal Order of Eagles, we're a charity organization, people helping people. We offer different charities, cancer, autism, anything to do with the kids. There's a 56 Bel Air. Nobody's here to explain what it is, but everybody knows about 55, 56 Chevys. Nice looking car. There's a Pontiac. 2+2. Entry number 24. Here's a convertible. It's a Camaro. Looks like it might be a 350. I remember right, my cars. There's another Camaro. This is straight 6 230 turbo, 140 horse. Now here's the Grand National. I love these cars. I've been looking for one for years now to buy. They're hard to find. It's an automatic. It's a nice Grand National. Entry number 35. Looks like he's been in quite a few car shows over the last 4 years. There's a Ford F-150. Nice.
I don't think it makes a lot of difference.
Nice truck.
I don't think it makes a lot of difference because
74 Mustang Fastback restored. Saw the particulars on it. Entry number 229. Kurt shifter. See that? I remember that from my old day. 427. How you guys doing today?
Great. How are you?
Great, all right. Any of you guys happen to be the club supervisor? You are? You have a card?
Yep.
I'm an Eagles member, Fraternal Order Eagles, out in the forest on 40 314A. We got a lot of space out there. We'd be willing to let you use our property for a car show.
We're out there every Friday night for karaoke, mostly.
Okay, where at?
Out there.
At the Eagles?
Oh, the Eagles. I thought you said Moose.
No, I know. Moose is right down the road. Okay. And this is what I'm offering. I'm a trustee there, and my friends come around behind me here.
I used to play the Eagles Club. I had a band that played there 25, 30 years
We're
ago.
looking for the same thing now.
I don't do that anymore, but there is many a nights I spend in there.
Good, good, good. Anyway, I'll offer to you for every entry you guys bring there. We'll have a cook there. We'll give you a breakfast, eggs, bacon, home fries, and coffee for $8. You're welcome to come in. If you want a beer, we'll make sure you get a beer. We'll sign you in, get a beer, unless you're a member.
If you want to have a car show there, talk to the guy that's doing the music, because he's the one that sets up all the car shows, and then he gives me the info and I advertise it.
All right,
But
good
he's the
dude.
guy that sets up and does the music and stuff like that.
All right,
His name is Dave. He's
Dave?
DJ over here right now. Yeah.
Okay, I heard him over there. Yeah.
He can,
Okay.
Little bald head guy.
Okay.
He's the one to set the whole thing up for you.
Fantastic, then. Oh, great. How many members do you have?
500.
Wow, 500. Well, that'd be enough. That's great. Okay, if you know anybody needs any storage or anything, I'm gonna set up some storage area for RVs, things of that nature. So, all right, I do thank you. God bless you. I hope you win. All right, that concludes the video here. This is gonna be on YouTube tonight. So, I have a YouTube channel. It's called Florida Audits, just like my hat says.
Yeah.
So, it'll be on it tonight once I audit it. All right, thank you. You guys have a blessed day. All right, folks, that's it from Silver Shores Moose.